Hi, and welcome to Basic B Scale. The Basic B Scale, we're only going to play the Ionian, the major, and this one's a little more trickier than the other ones. All the other ones we start with pinky. This one you're going to start with your fourth finger, which is interesting. The B Scale has 5 sharps, so it has C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. That's all the black keys. So here's the B Scale right here. So it's kind of easy to memorize what sharps they are. They're all of them. So, yeah. The way we're going to start is put your first finger on B, the tonic. Then we move on to C sharp, to D sharp. Then we go to natural E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and then B. And then we go back down. So B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E. Then we go to D sharp, C sharp, B. So with the right hand, you go 1, 2, 3, and then you move on down to natural E with your first finger again. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So practice right hand until you got it pretty comfortably. Until you can do this. So go up and down, up and down. Now we're going to do it with the left hand. Left hand, you don't start with fifth finger, like I said earlier. You start with the fourth finger. If you start with the fifth, you're going to actually hit your thumb right here, and it won't be that comfortable when you're actually jumping up the scales, down, up and down the scales. Like right here, you got like a lot of to move. With the fourth finger, it's a lot easier. Your fingers, they scale up, and they scale down, and it's more comfortable with the fourth finger. So we're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pretty easy to remember. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It just repeats over and over and over again. So we go 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, B. So practice fourth finger until you're comfortable going up and down, up and down. There we go. And keep in mind, make sure your form is good. Once you got the left hand and right hand down, now we put them together. So you start with 4 and 1 on the tonic, which is B. You go B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. And you go down. You go B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, B. So you practice this going up and down. It might be more trickier in this chord because you're not used to starting with your fourth finger. You're always used to starting your fifth finger. For C, G, D, A, and E, we always start with fifth finger. And there's going to be other scales in the black scales where we will start with fifth finger. But there is other scales that we will start with fourth or even 2 or even second finger. Like it depends on the black scale, what's more comfortable going up and down. So we're going to start with just do 1 octave until you're comfortable with it. Just up and down. Up. You don't have to do it like 50 times or something. Just do it until your fingers feel kind of comfortable. So when they're comfortable, we're going to go 2 octaves. So we're going to go to this B, to this B. So for the right hand, it's the same thing. So we have our fourth finger on this one. This is going to be A sharp because it's right below the tonic. Right under the tonic. This is called the leading tone. Your fourth finger is going to be always on A sharp, the leading tone, no matter how many times you go up. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I go slower. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now we go to the left hand. Left hand is going to be, it just repeats. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. The reason why we do 3, 2, 1 because we ended on 1 right here. We don't switch to 4. So we go 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 4. See, that's not comfortable. So we end on 1, and then we move to 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there's more than, for this scale, there's more than one fourth finger. Fourth finger starts on B, fourth finger is on F sharp, and then fourth finger is again on F sharp. See? That's why you can't only do the fourth fingers on this formula with the fourth finger. So it's not always on B or F sharp, because we start on B as well. For this one, we actually look at the third finger. The third finger is always on C sharp, right there. See that? So that's the next tone. See, the third finger takes its place for the fourth finger as a normal scale, you know? It's always on C sharp. So we go from here, C sharp, go up to C sharp, and go up to B. And then we go down. C sharp, C sharp would be third. So when you're comfortable with that, now we go 2 octaves with 2 hands. So make sure you end on the pinky and the thumb. If you end like this, that's incorrect. Do it again. Or like this. Make sure you end like this. It looks a little confusing at first, but you will get used to it. So it goes 4, 3, 2, 1 on your left hand. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice until you go up and down until you're comfortable with 2 octaves. This is a trickier scale, but you'll get the hang of it. Four octaves, we start from this B and we go all the way to this B. But we're gonna start with skipping, like we always do. 25 times skipping, so your fingers are really comfortable with it, and 25 times straight. And the last 5 or 10 times you can play as fast as you can. So we can go skipping. There we go. And then once you do 25 times, and then you go straight. Fast would be the last 5 or 10 times. As for B scale, this is the B major scale. I'll see you in the next video. The next video scale is going to be F sharp.